Welcome back, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. What about your second midterm examination? How was it? Hope all of you wrote well. Students, the last chapter that we studied was a poem, The Mountain and the Squirrel, right? It gives an important message that no one in the world is insignificant and everyone has equal importance. Students, do you know animals, birds, insects, and humans have equal importance in this earth? No one is superior or inferior in this earth. So, remember one thing that man must respect and give consideration to all the animals, birds, and insects that live on earth. Students, have you read any story related to the interdependence between man and other living things? So, try to find out those stories related to the interdependence between man and animals. So, today we are going to meet a new chapter related to the peaceful coexistence between man and other creatures. So, all of you take page number 80. Now, read the passage given on top of that page. Hope you all read that passage. Am I right? Now, I'll read it for you. Everyone is talented and has something to contribute to the society. Man is always in the company of animals, birds, insects, and often shares his thoughts, concerns, doubts, and frustrations with them. Let's read and enjoy a short story by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. So, here we will learn a short story by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. What's the title of the short story? All of you read it. Yes, the rightful inheritors of the earth. In Malayalam, it is known as Bhumiyude Avakashigal. Students, shall we go through the profile of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir? Okay, let's go. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. He was born in 1908. He was a Malayalam fiction writer, humanist, freedom fighter, novelist, and short story writer. He was noted for his down to earth style of writing. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1982. He is fondly known as Beypur Sultan. He was died in 1994. Students, now shall we go through the summary of the story? Summary. The Rightful Inheritors of the Earth by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir is a short narrative in which the author talks about the need to consider the other animals also as part of this earth, as they are the rightful inheritors of the earth. The narrative progresses through a situation faced by the narrator and his wife after they started living in the newly bought house and surrounding land. The problem encountered by them was that their coconuts were eaten by some animals. Later, they identified that bats are the real culprits. Narrator's wife, with the help of her cousin, thought of killing the bats. They identified that the bats came from the nearby temple. They went to kill the bats using a gun, but they were chased by the local people as it is believed that bats are the souls of their forefathers. The story concludes with the narrator saying that although bats cannot be considered as the reincarnation of our forefathers, they definitely have a right to reside on this earth. Students, hope you all understood the summary of the story, The Rightful Inheritors of the Earth. Students, now what you have to do is take your English note and write the name of the chapter, The Rightful Inheritors of the Earth, and write the summary of the story. After that, all of you read this lesson thoroughly. In the next class, we will discuss this story and we will go through the new words and their meanings. So, all of you read the text very well. See you in the next class. Thank you, dear students.